Fibonacci sequence is a very much important topic in every programming languages when we learn this. So let's have this how to have a Fibonacci program or using this. Let's have a variable n. We assign this into input, enter a number. We just have this message. We take a number from the user, we just assign to that, so it is also integer type and it is assigned to n. Just see, let's have f1, it is also a variable. 1 is equal to f2, it is also equal to 1. So I'll talk about this and just see. We have print statement f1, f2, we have f2 this, and after that a new line because it is an empty string here. This sign I equal to 2, I will be 2. A while statement we have here, a while loop we can call this. While I is lesser than n, whatever number we or the user enters, if I is lesser than that particular number, if this condition is true, so just assign f1, f2, assign this f2 and f1 plus f2. If this condition is true, just assign these to these. Obviously that's a little complex. And now let's have a print statement or a print function. Let's say f2, let's have an empty string here. Once again, new line it means in Python. Let's increment now the I is equal to I plus 1. Well, we increment and at the end we just print an empty printf, an empty print, sorry. So this is a Fibonacci sequence. Let's run this and we'll see what will be the result. When we run it will ask enter a number. Just enter 10. Guess what will be the result. See, 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34 and 55. Let's see that after 1 there is not any gap between them. Let's see how to bring gaps between them. So we just see here it is an empty. Again, let's save and run this program once again, whether it will be correct or not. I just want to zoom it here, and again I want to enter 10. Obviously it is shown to you that space is there and it is very cleared and clean code.